Hey, do you want to generate organic leads for your business? So, if you are into affiliate marketing, promoting your own product, or you are into service kind of industry and you're trying to generate leads organically for your business, so in this video, I'm going to discuss about that. And this is something which I learned in One Funnel Away challenge, and I'm experimenting this actually and getting some leads out there, and I'll be showing the result actually, how it is going. But right now I'm experimenting this and working as of now, and I also found some people who is doing and they are doing really well. So in this video I'll be also showing that. So this video is going to be super interesting. So if you haven't liked this video, just like, excitement should not go there, and also subscribe the channel so that you will not miss any kind of video. Let's dive into our laptop screen. All right, we have come to our laptop screen, and this is actually a structure which I have created so that it will not take so much time to explain. So here is it how it starts. It starts with having a funnel. It is very important. It is important. I would not say it is mandatory. You can generate leads without it as well, but what actually happens when you do have a funnels, you do not lose out on your leads. Okay, so I'll be explaining. So in this video I'm not going to tell you what is sales funnels. You can check out the video which I have made about sales funnels. You can get this video here on this card. Okay, so have a funnel, and after that build a portfolio, because I have also explained that you will have a funnel structured follow-up that is very great, but you need to uh, get traffic. Okay, so here are the way how it starts. So build your portfolio. So the second step is build your portfolio on social media, wherever your audience is. So figure out your audience before making a sales funnel. You also need to figure out your audience, whom actually you want to target. Okay, after that build a portfolio, and your portfolio should not be like uh, what you are doing, what you are about. It is not should be like every time. It should be like how you can help people. Okay, so let me show you some examples as well, if I can show you. Okay, so see the bio of Medipreneur Saurabh Bhatnagar, seen on Forbes, Your Story, Joe Stack Talks. So it creates an authority, and a, a 15 plus, 150K plus students in SB University. It also create an authenticity, right? And let's see some else. Okay, I help people to make money online from affiliate marketing. So these are the people I actually don't know. I just found some random people from some groups so that I can show you how they are doing. Okay, and I'll also show you my how I am doing. Okay, so let me click here and go to my profile actually. See how to build a seven-figure business foundation from scratch. It is actually a funnel which I have created for One Funnel Away. So I have given that link here, and people can go and enter into my funnel. Okay, so okay, you have built your uh, what do you say, bio or your profile. So mention everything that can actually build your authenticity and it can help people. Okay, and the next step, put out the content, and put out the content in a way which can actually help people. uh, whom do you want to target. It will take some time. It is not going to uh, be, it is not going to start from tomorrow, but yeah, it will happen. So put out some content and do outreach. Outreach means it is not like just go and spam the inboxes of people. Figure out the people who can who are potential people who can buy your product or services, and go and try to interact with them and build a connection, build a friendship, and then figure out if they need your help. Then pitch there that this is something you do and you can help. Okay, and engage with your story. Okay, so what it exactly means. So uh, I'll tell you one very powerful method actually. So add people to your friend list. Okay, so you can figure out people wherever you can find your target audience who are your potential customers, right? So target them and add them into your friend list. So if someone is added to your friend list, they will see your story, so you can engage them with your story. So you can put out some case study, or you can put out some content there on your story, and put as much as a story you can do, because as much as a story you put, your story appears in the front and more people see. So engage in the story, and in all these three, put out content, do outreach, engage with the story. In all three steps, have a call to action, which is redirecting them to your profile or redirecting them to the link which is right over here. Okay, in my case it is here. And even so, it doesn't matter if you're doing on Facebook or Instagram or LinkedIn. The method is same, the process is same. And you can see I have shown some examples to you, and the same way you can do. And if you want me to you know make a more detailed video on this, how you can do everything from scratch, let me know in the comment box. I'll definitely do that. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, do not forget to like, share and subscribe, and also do not forget to mention your valuable suggestion or feedbacks for this video. And if you want any kind of a similar video, you can request in the comment box. Okay, and if you want to book a strategy session with me for 30-minute strategy session, you can get the link in the description, and you can book a call with me if you want to grow your business online. Okay, and if you want a training video how to create a super successful business model, you can get that training. That is a private training. You can get that, and both the link you can get in the description. So till the time, stay happy, stay blessed, and stay tuned for the next video.